Okay, so this is David Sherman, and today we have the DBrand skin for my Nexus 4, and I just got it in the mail, so what we're going to do is whip it out and put it on. So it comes in the sleeve, and it sure is nice. First thing I kind of noticed is that the hashes on it aren't quite as large as they looked when I ordered it. Still looks awesome. I got it with no Nexus on it, no Nexus cutout, because I heard that they eventually started to peel up. That was the weak point for the thing. So got it without, even though it looks cool with. And so I suppose all I got to do is rip it off. I'm gonna clean the back of it, of the phone, and apply this thing. I don't really know how to put this on, so I hope I'm doing this right. Doesn't really seem like rocket science, but never know. All right, I committed. Boom. Looking good. Yeah, look at this beast. It's like a whole new phone. Sticks on perfect. This thing's radical. Looks totally boss. As they say, they are the boss of vinyl skins. DBrand Inc. I guess they're out of Toronto, which I didn't know. And I'm not far from Toronto, so it came pretty quickly. Thanks, DBrand. And I look forward to using this and getting this dirty. Already used it. There we go. Cool. All right. That's that. Buy yours today. Or don't. I don't know.